Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down until you will see the additional settings. Let's enter. Now let's tap on date and time, obviously, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize. So first of all, we can decide if we want to use network provided time just like now, because this option is active, or we can set it manually. So in order to activate those options, date and time, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see right now we can freely tap on the date and by swiping freely choose the date we want to use, confirm it with OK. As you can see, it immediately changes. Let's tap on the time, and the same situation here, by swiping you can set the time you want to currently have. So let's tap on OK, and as you can see it also changes. What's more, it immediately appears on the status bar. Here we've got also the time zone, which is right now network provided. So in order to set it manually, the same situation as with the time and date, just tap on the switcher to turn off this option and tap on the time zone. And we have to tap on the region. And as you can see, we've just been transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So all you have to do is simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick, for example, this one. And as you can see, it immediately changes, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Under it, we've got the time format. Right now it is automatic, so it is based on system language, but we obviously can tap on it and manually choose the 12-hour format or 24-hour format. So right now we've got 24-hour format, so let me pick 12-hour format, and as you can see it immediately changes. The same situation on the status bar. Under it we've got also the dual clock, so it means that it will show the second clock for the different place or different city. So you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. If you want to keep it turned on, just tap on the second clock, and here you will be also able to choose the region you would like to display. So let me get back. So actually this is it. This is how to change the date and time manually. And if you'd like to get back to all previous settings, nothing easier. Just tap on the time format and use the automatic one. Here just tap on the switcher to use network provided time zone, and the same situation with the network provided time. So actually that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.